Alright, so I'm a little overdue for the sound check on this. I've been playing around with it. My fingers are still used to strumming a diatonic, yeah, diatonic dulcimer fretted. Yeah, that. So it's missing a lot of frets. So I feel like I'm all thumbs here, but I'm gonna give it a shot. This is John Deere from Hummingbird Guitars, and didn't notice. My kid noticed first that these fret markers are all colored pencils, which is really cool. And just a pickup with towpath on it because I have towpath guitars. And here's a basket piece from vegetable steamer, and it's pretty hard to see in here, but I don't know if I can get around. There is a hex key to hold all the strings on. So those are a couple things I didn't see when I first opened it up. But anyway, let's see if I can get through Home on the Range before all the kids come home and make noise in the house. Alright, let's see if I can. I'm still messing with this strap here. That's about all the chords I know. But anyway, there you go. You guys got a sample.